Hey guys, so today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a protein treatment hair mask made from items from your kitchen. These are all the items that we're going to use for the hair mask. This is 2 eggs. We're going to take 2 eggs and we're going to put them into the blender. Then we're going to do a tablespoon of honey. And honey is good to help coat the hair, and it also helps keep the hair from breaking off and help with any damaging parts of the hair that you may have. So we're going to put this in there. Okay, so we use a tablespoon of grapeseed oil, a tablespoon of coconut oil, a tablespoon of 100% pure avocado oil, a tablespoon of 100% extra virgin olive oil, a tablespoon of pure honey. We use 2 eggs, and also we're going to use, in the peppermint oil, we're going to use a couple drops of this peppermint oil. And this I got off of Amazon, and the brand is, if it can focus, Art Naturals, off of Amazon. And this is to help with stimulating hair growth. And just do like 3 or 4 drops of that. You don't want to do too many drops of peppermint oil because it will burn if you do too much of it, but it is good with stimulating the hair follicles and helping to promote hair growth as well. And then we're going to blend that all up in our blender, as you can see. And this is what it looks like after everything is blended together. And then I did also add 1 avocado in there, so everything's blended, so it's kind of like a more of a thick consistency. Like a thick, creamy. And we're going to put this in our hair. Okay, this is freshly washed hair. I'm going to go ahead and apply my mixture that I showed you guys. What I'm going to be using is a color bowl and a brush to apply this. But if you don't have this, it's okay. You can still apply it with your hands. This is just the way that I wanted to do it because I felt like it would be easier for me. But if you don't have these products, like I said, it's okay. You don't have to use a brush and a bowl to do this. You can do it with your hands, with gloves, or however you would choose to apply this. And also, be careful because this is really messy. Because it's kind of like runny. So yeah, as you can see, I mean, it's a little thick, but it's still runny. So I would suggest you put a towel or something down, or do it over a sink. That's why I'm in my bathroom, because I'm over my bathroom sink. So then if any thing drips, it'll drip into the sink for me. Okay, so, oh, and what I washed my hair with, hold on one second. Okay. So this is what I washed my hair with today, if it will focus. The shampoo, and it's sulfate free. This is not a shampoo that I use all the time. I switch up my shampoos because my hair, if I use the same shampoos and conditioners all the time, then my hair does start to get used to the products, and then it doesn't work as good. So yeah. But that's what I used today. And then this is the conditioner as well. I got this from Walmart. Nowhere special, anybody can get it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how we do this. Okay, so after you put the bag over your head and the two bonnets, the reason I put two bonnets on it is to help generate more heat, which will help stimulate that into my cuticles more. And also, when you wash it, make sure you wash it with warm water, just so that that will also help open up your cuticles and things like that. Your pores will be open, so then your hair will be able to be more absorbent of the product. Now, I'm going to leave this in for an hour, then I'll be back to show you how to rinse it out. Okay, so this is to show you how my hair turned out after the hair mask, and I love it. It is very soft, and look, it's tangle free. Very easy to comb through, finger through, everything. And mind you, I don't have any products in it after I took the mask out. Oh, and I also do want to let you guys know that when you do the mask with the avocado, make sure that the avocado is fully ripened. But yeah, this is amazing. My hair feels so soft. And another thing, guys, make sure that you rinse your hair out with cool water, so then you can lock in that product into your hair and close those cuticles so that it will moisturize and aid with your hair more. I'm sorry, guys, I'm just loving my hair right now. I can't believe it's this soft and easy to comb through, and I have no product in my hair. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Bye.